Hello, today we're going to take a look at how to download and install the Kodi add-ons. So once you're logged into the website and you've gone to the app download page, you just need to scroll down until you get down to the Kodi section. You can see this is where it starts. So we're just going to need to first download the files off the website to set up Kodi. So for instance, Pro Sport, I'm just going to click on the logo here. And you might see this little message saying it's starting a download. You may not see a whole lot happen, but important thing is when you click on them, they are downloading the files to your device. So I just got Pro Sport and then I got the Pro Sport repository. It's basically two files that you need for each major add-on here. So for Sports Devil, I'm going to click on the Sports Devil logo and then click on the Sports Devil repository. And again, last for Phoenix, you click on the last Phoenix logo and the Phoenix repository. You don't need to know what the repository is, you just need to know that there's two files for each one. So once you're done on the website, you need to go back to your home screen. If you have the bottom bar, you can use your home button. If it's not there, you can click and drag it up from the bottom of the screen, or if you have any remote, you can hit the little house button on the remote to go back out. Worst case scenario, you can always right click or press back a bunch of times to get back to your home screen. Okay, so from here, you're going to click on the circle with the 6 buttons back on your home screen to take a look at all your applications, and there you should find Kodi. If you click on that, we're going to start up Kodi because the rest of the things we need to do are inside there. So again, this video is just for Kodi 16, so if your Kodi looks nothing like this, then you need to check out our other Kodi video for the new Kodi 17. So once you're in Kodi, you're going to notice you have a big menu bar across here. If you go to side, it scrolls. So we need to go to the right side and click on System. Once you're in the System settings here, we're going to go to Add-ons. And you might get a pop-up message saying first run help sort of thing, and you just need to click OK when you come into here. So this is where we can set up the add-on. So we're just going to be using this install from zip file. So if you click on that, it's going to open up the right side of the screen. And we're going to go to external storage, which is actually your hard drive on your device. And then you're going to click on the download folder. Okay, so now it's just a matter of repeating this for each one of the links files that we downloaded. You can actually download a Pro Sport file more than once. You don't need to worry again too much about the actual names. The repositories have slightly different names, but the important thing is that you install each one of them. For Sports Devil, it's the unofficial Sports Devil repo. For Pro Sport, it's going to be PodGod. And for Phoenix, it's going to be XBMC. So if you're just looking for one particular add-on, you just need to make sure you get the corresponding one. So I just clicked on Sports Devil first. We're going to let that start to do its thing. And again, it's just a matter of repeating the steps. Install from zip file, external storage, download, and then I'm going to click on the next one from the bottom here, repository XBMC hub. And you can see in the bottom corner, it's just doing stuff after I've told it to. I don't really need to wait. I can just keep telling it to do more of these. So again, unofficial Sports Devil repo, install from zip file, external storage, download, PodGod. And we're just going to keep doing this until we get all 6. Pro Sport, again, I do have a duplicate of Pro Sport, which we don't need to worry about. And Phoenix. Okay, so this is just a message telling me that there is a new version of Kodi. It's not needed to get the new version. There is some benefits, some drawbacks. So it's again, your Kodi should still work fine. Just going to click OK to get rid of that. So again, we're just getting messages in the bottom right corner saying everything's being worked on. I can even see currently downloading. It's still just working on finishing up the last couple there. There's Phoenix. So that's all that's really involved. Now the add-ons are installed. You are ready to go from here. I'm just right-clicking back out to the main Kodi window. You just have to right-click a few times or press back a few times. So from here, the add-ons are installed. You won't see anything out here yet. But if you'll notice, if I put my mouse over videos, I can either click on there or right here, click right into the video add-ons. And you'll see now I have Phoenix, Pro Sport, and Sports Devil. You can set up the shortcuts on the front screen if you'd like, and I can show you quickly how to do that now. Again, I just right-click to go back to the main Kodi screen. So if you'd like to set up the shortcuts to pop up down here below, you just have to go back into your system. And this time we're going to go up to the top and click on Appearance. In the Appearance window, you're going to put your mouse over Skin, go right to the right and click on Settings. And then this is where you can change some of the options. So in the past, we've often went to this home window options. Again, put your mouse over it, come down. You can hide things on the front screen because typically we're not using music, pictures, programs, and weather. So if you click each one of them, they go blue. It means we won't see that option on the home screen. Then if you put your mouse over add-on shortcuts, you can actually change this says homepage videos submenu. So these are the video add-ons that will show up. So if I click on the first one, and it's going to let me pick which one I want. I'll pick Sports Devil. Click on Add-on 2. And I'll pick Pro Sport. Click on Add-on 3. And I'll pick Phoenix. So when you do that, now when I click, either right-click back, or they've also got some buttons here in Kodi, like the home button in Kodi. Now you'll see my home page looks a little bit different in Kodi. If you put your mouse over videos, you'll now see that I have the shortcuts now down below. It's just a little nicer interface, easier to use that way. Again, you don't have to do that last appearance part. You can save it with all the menu here. You just have to go over videos and click on add-ons to get into the list to see these options. If you do make any changes to the front Kodi screen like this, like adding your shortcuts, you just need to make sure you actually power out of Kodi. So you're going to use the little circle button in the bottom corner, click on it, and then say exit, and that'll make sure it saves all your changes as far as the actual appearance. Your add-ons will still be there, just the changes to the shortcuts. So that's it for today. Thanks.